All right, guys, we're doing the Guess Who today. Share the Land. Let's take a listen to it. This is the 20th hired request on the 2018 hired request list. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part one lesson here in just a minute, but all the lessons for this song all the way through are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones, your tablets, your desktop computers, whatever setup you have. Fast streaming for everyone. There are thousands and thousands of lessons on there, and for most of you, probably a lifetime of music, more than a lifetime of music on there of lessons. If you want to get a hold of me, just send me an email to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. All right, well, let's get going with this. And as we get going, if you're finding you're having a little difficulty or trouble, or it feels like I'm going too fast for you, you're probably trying something that's too difficult, that may be above your level. Okay, so if you need a refresher course or you need beginner lessons, I have 50 beginner lessons on my website. Just as you go to webpianoteacher.com, click Browse Lessons, scroll down alphabetically to the letter L. There you will find 50 lessons that get you started. Okay, then you can work your way up to where this is not so difficult for you, and you can learn it faster. But I'm assuming that if you're trying this one, you already can play, and you already know how chords work and that sort of thing. All right, although there are some people, by sheer willpower, who will sit and not know anything and still learn something like this just because they want to learn it so bad. So, I don't recommend that, but here we go. We'll start with a B minor 7. All right, so B minor is B, D, F sharp. The 7th means we have an A there mixed in. It doesn't matter the order, it just matters what the ingredients of the chord is. So B octave in the left hand. We're going to play that and vamp for 2 counts. 1, 2, and then on count 3. Da 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 dum, ba dum. So 1, 2. Not actually on, it's a little before count 3. 1, 2. So B, D, F sharp A, rolling it up, and then F sharp A, then one more D as we lead into the E chord on the next measure, and play the D with your 2 finger. So the beginning is 1, 2. Now we get B, E, G sharp. Kind of hold on to that D. That gives us a 7th in that E chord. Sounds pretty good. Left hand on an E octave. Maybe a B in there if you want. 1, 2. Now on count 3. We have a little blues thing. So G is our blues note to G sharp. E and B on the outsides. 1, 2, 5. And G sharp. And then E, G sharp, E. Then turn your thumb sideways to play D and E with your thumb. G sharp and D on the top. Then play it one more time. So right here it's 1, 2. All right. So let's go from the beginning and go. 1, 2. 2. Here we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that part 1, and I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com. We'll finish the rest of it. Talk to you later.